Finally, you listen? Huh? Sunny, why you didn't listen? Why you didn't listen when I was calling you? Huh? You know that's not nice. When I said, Sunny, come over here, you're supposed to come, okay? Otherwise, no treats. All right? You need to listen, Sunny. Behave good. Charlotte, and that's for you as well. Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. Don't pretend that you're like scratching yourself. This is serious, Charlotte. Excuse me. It's not time for pedicure right now. It's not time for beauty. Oh, Charlotte is he loves to do that to his feathers. Look at that, how pretty he brushed his feathers, so beautiful. I know they're beautiful. I know. You don't have to be showing everybody that your feathers are so gorgeous. Hey, what shampoo do you use? He doesn't use no shampoo, he said. Oh, you want attention now, huh? What can you do with your feathers? Show us. Let's see. Can you do something to your feathers? We want to see your feathers. What can you do? You're going inside your house? It's enough for you? All right. You tired of being outside? Huh? What are you doing, Sunny? What are you doing? Pretty bird. Hey, do you want to go inside? Or you're on the side? Sunny, show us what can you do? It's you again? While you're scratching your head and everything, somebody's singing to Toby. And look at you here, just scratching your head, doing your massage. Lucy, you need to. I don't know. That's Luna. Out, Cookie? Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out, sweetheart? Do you want to come out? Scary cat. Hi, Lucy. Pretty bird. My birds are so cute and special. My little fatty bird. Cute. What happened? Stop stalking. What is that? Is that a bird? Hi, Cookie. Cutie birds. Cute babies. Hi, sweetheart. I love to see Cookie's big eyes. I don't know why. Cookie, what are you doing there? Who was that? Stop scratching. That's too much. Cookie, I said Cookie. I didn't say Charlotte. Let's see. Why are you mad? Charlotte. Guess who's here? Charlotte. Treat. Don't pretend that you're sleeping. You guys always do that. Don't even think about it. Very relaxing today. Today's a relaxed day for you guys. You already know that happens, okay? You know if you go to that house, to Cookie's house, he will bite your feet, okay? You already know that. See, now they're asking for a treat. See? What? Do you guys want treat? You want treat? Okay. I'm gonna give it to Kiki. I'm sorry. I ask you. Treat. Treat, baby. Treat. Come on, sweetheart. Look, he's so mad. Why are you mad? Because I took the treat away from you? I asked if you wanted. You didn't want it. Cookie? Treat?